National Press Day COM Presentation of Manipur State Journalist Award listing ani kunmanga gi thoram pangthokre. Poknafam Pauche gi editor Aribam Robindra Sarmada Best Editor gi award khutsinakre. Amadi Jahi Asigi Orange Festival the Pangthokadaba Orange Screen listing ani kunmanga gi audition gi mafam matam amadi criteria sing lauthokre. Kurumjari ISCOM News bideng tabiri ba khwaipum namak pu aisilki chanambamna taram nokjari hauzik pau sandokna pizari. Manipur Lenga ki Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR na sinduna National Press Day COM Presentation of Manipur State Journalist Award listing ani kunmanga gi thauram ngasi nitaipa chuthekta leiba DIPR gi auditorium da chinglebna pangthokre. Thauram aduda IPR gi Secretary Hungyo Warsang, Director Ngangum Utamamadi, Imphal Review of Art and Politics ki Editor Su Ariba, Senior Journalist Pradeep Panjobamna, Maru Oiba Mitung Lensing oina saruk yaki. Loinana, Manipur gi Print amadi Electronic Media gi Editor Singh amadi Paumi Singh su saruk yaki. Thauram ga mari leinana Maru Oiba Mitung Lensing na Manipur State Journalist Award listing ani kunmanga gi manasu yentoki. Fidam ningai oiraba manasi fangkraba journalist singa today Best Editor on National Integration and Communal Harmony da Pognafam Pauche gi Editor Aribam Robindra Sarma, Pauche asigi Assistant Feature Editor Thongam Boni Singh, Sanalaibak Pauche gi Sub-Editor Dr. Khaidem Athoba Maite, Pauche asigi Reporter Sanasam Kritivas, Reporter Hemchandra Sagosem, Huyen Lanpao gi Special Correspondent Alka Thokchom Amade, Sangai Express ki Sub-Editor Karibam Yaifaba Maitene. Award sing ase lengak na ayaba piraba Independent Panel of Judges Selection Committee na Pikhala kiba recommendation ki matung inna Pikiba award sing ne. Award sing ase kutsinaraba matung da safeguarding press credibility amidst rising misinformation haiba hiramda workshop amasu pangthoki. Senior Journalist Pradeep Panjobam na Moderator oikiba workshop aduda Senior Journalist K. Saros Kumar Sharma na Credibility of Praise and Ways to Safeguard It. Amadi Impact TV gi Chief Editor Rupachandra Yumnam na Menace of Misinformation and Ways to Tackle It haiba hiramda wafum kaya phongdoki. Tara Nepal Suba State Level Orange Festival gi organizers singna festival asigi maru oiba saruka mo ina pangthok kadariba Orange Screen listing ani kunmanga gi audition ki numit amadi matam lauthokre. Tamenglong amadi Imphal da pangthok kadariba festival asigi Orange Screen listing ani kunmanga gi audition thasi ki tang tara tareta ayuki pung tara mathui dagi nungthil gi pung mari fawba Tamenglong headquarter gi mini secretariat leiba conference room da madi Thasi ki tangkuni thoi ki chap manaba pungfamda Hotel Imphal by Classic ki Sangai Holda pangthok lagane. Orange Screen listing ani kunmanga asida sarugyaning basingna Tamenglong headquarter da leiba Deputy Commissioner gi office amade Chingmairong da leiba Melt Ice Cream Parlor dagi mari leinaba form sing lobu yagane. Beauty pageant asida sarugyagadariba contestants singi masagi jahi yamdrabada tarataret oigadabane. Masa unmarried oigadabane amadi masagi height na yamdrabada fit mangaga inchi ani oigadabane. Pageant asigi winner da sell oina lupa lakh ama makai. First amadi second runners up singdana mathang sitna lupa lakh ama amadi lising humputara mangagi mana pigane. Ahen da akupa marol kangnabagi damakta Tamenglong gi oina phone number 8130667878 amadi Imphal ki oina phone number 8974893240 da pau faurpa yagani haire.
Hello everyone. We're back after 2 years. Finally, the wait is over. The Orange Festival 2025 will be happening from 17th of December to 19th of December.
And yes, the most awaited Orange Queen 2025 is back with the theme, The Sweetest Crown. So don't miss the grand finale on 19th of December at Tamenglong.
The Tamenglong district audition will be scheduled on the 17th of November at the conference room of Mini Secretariat. Furthermore, the imphal audition will take place on the 22nd of November at Hotel Imphal by Classic Shanghai Hall from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. So stay tuned for more updates.
Forms are available at DC Office Tamenglong and at Melt Ice Cream Parlor in Chingweirong, next to Yamaha Showroom in Imphal.
Come and be part of the sweetest crown, Orange Queen 2025. For more information, please contact the number provided below.
Bubble Bits Preschooling and Daycare gi Nipalak Suba Foundation Day gi Tharam ngasi Maitram Awang Lekai da Leiba AK Farmhouse cha pangthokre Tharamaduda Wangkai Assembly Constituency gi MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar na adhaba mithunglen oina saruk yakhi Pikliba angang singi traditional showcase amadi jagoi isaina tharamadugi mapung oiba tharam sing oiki Tharam aduga mari leinana Wangkai Assembly Constituency gi MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar na hai Mahiroi singi punsida preschooling ase yamna maru oiba foundation amane masida mama mapa singna hena yengsen biba mathautai lairik tamlibani haiduna lairik khaktamak tambana angang singda potlum oina uhalle lairik tamna masa na haija singjaba extracurricular activities singdasu makhoi bupning thakot biba yamna magdarkar oi maramasina Oja sing amadi mama mapa singna angang singbu hena faba mahiroi ama oihenbada chawna thodang lei haina mahakna haiki
Ekoi angang sing si tongan ba activities mayam da loin involve to honbagi adu mami matai adu masigi event sina tai si kaino hakanda school haibasi lari kata natragna exam kata tawna ba adu mafam nate masida kuina tongan ba activities mayam ma tawbai activities mayam do tawrakan da angang sing si tongan ba mama gi leijariba mama gi heijariba field da tawlakan da kana gumne sei san ba kana gumne jagoi san ba kana gumne yoga to honba kana gumne skit son ba tongan ba mama gi activities chana basing si oja sing sina khallakan da tawbirakan da angang gi activities urakan da angang se expose tawrakan da angang si confusion la ka do angang si semgala ka do ni sumaina aduna hojigi matam da di Like tam bahar kanda co-curricular activities isu academic ka chamana na important hoire aduna ani maksi punna chami namagi tangai fadabla angang ama aphaba citizen amo hen gai taragadi co-curricular activities as well as academic ani je punna chalaga tambi basi koi tangai faden khali adu ngasigi events na tai di madugum sigi involvement se dakar le abdu ngasigi siliba school jina siliba se duke matek maruai
Paugi marak that na attend ba break amatang lojari.
With innovation in learning, world-class facilities, and caring mentors, UNACO School empower young minds to think, explore, and excel. From creativity to confidence, we nurture every child to discover their best self. UNACO Schools, empowering minds, inspiring futures. Registration is now open. Don't wait. Secure your seat for a brighter tomorrow. Join UNACO School, visit our campus, or register online.
Breaking matungda taram nokchari makata bapau pisari. Lions Club International District 322 DG District Governor Lion PMJF Lalit Kumar Kotharina Lions Club of Oinam Amadi Leo Club of Oinam Githabak Thoram Singh Yengsin Kray. Lions Club International District 322 Dina Sinduna Bisnupur District ki Oinam Public Hall the Pangthok ki Bathoramaduda District Governor Lion PMJF Lalit Kumar Kotharina Lions Club of Oinam gi Nauna Yaurak Club members Singbu induction Tobagaloinana Lions Singi Pin Sing Tetuna Sakang Maikang Nakiba Duda Lions Club of Oinam gi President Lion Dr. Thingbaizam Swaran Kumar na Club Sigi Resolution of Appreciation Su District Governor de Kutsin Naki Lion PMJF Lalit Kumar Kotharina Fongtok Kibada Mioy Bukunai gi Yaifana Buhanariba Lions Club Sing Asigi Tawai Hapliba Lions Singna Mioy Bagi Yaifana Bathabak Sing Ngamliba Makai Pangthok Kadabane Club Singi Mapangal Hena Kanaba Anoba Lions Sing Hapchinduna Leo Club Sing Sambat Kadabane Lions Club of Oinam na Leo Club of Oinam Hangdoktuna Leo Amadi Lions Sing Samgat Pagi Thabak Kumang Chawse na Tobang Ambasi Tagat Ningay ne Luinana Mioy Bukunai gi Mating Pangbaya Bathabakaya Paikalakani Haibagi Tajabalay Haiki
This year we are going to support two global service causes in our district, vision and environment. And we have given a plan to organize these activities in every month in different ways. These are in addition to our one district, one activity. This will help us increase our service and impact we are making in our communities, and even your membership by inviting potential members to serve with International Foundation is another way we can amplify our service and our impact. LCF empowers us to help even more people and create lasting changes. Every donation to LCF helps us meet vital humanitarian needs both locally and globally. So I encourage every lion and every club to donate. And I am very happy that your president has given me to donate for the Open NGF in this year and also for the DFL, our district fund foundation.
Manipur Women and Child Development Association MWCDA na chalaiba Computer Training Institute Koba Computer Center ama Jiribam ge Kalinagar da Jiribam ge social worker and Buddha Chandra Singh na ataba mitung oiduna asi hangdokre. Computer Center hangdoki basida Jiribam Higher Secondary School ge retired principal S Maniton Singh, retired assistant inspector of school Jiribam, promoters Das, social worker MD Manana Made Lalpani High School ge oja MM Hassan na matang sidna Thoram Mapu amadi akana ba mitung lensing oina saruk yaki. Thoram masigi ataba mitung oike ba social worker and Buddha Chandra na luchingduna. Nauna hangdok liba Computer Training Institute asi hauna bi matung ina ribbon kaktuna hangdoki. Ataba mitung gi warol piraduna ngasi hangdok liba Computer Training Center asina hena afaba made Ziribam gi miyambu computer gi knowledge hena pibangam lagani haiba wafam su thamki. Amaromda Tharamapu gi warol piraduna S Manito na haikibada hauziki matamda computer gi knowledge yaudragadi thabak amata tauba ngamlaktaba haiba matamadu oire maramaduna computer center amanau na hanglakpasina naha oiriba kaya singda hena kana bapiragani haiba wafam su fongdoki ngasi hangdoki ba Computer Training Institute ki head of the center Roshan Ali na fongdoki bada Ziri dalai riba education ki mangal fanglaban naha kayana computer ki knowledge pangdana awat pa kaya lay riba asi mensinaba ki pandamda computer center asi hangdok pani haiki.
Association na sina Manipur Women and Child Development Association na ay riba computer training association na siya hangdok kuji maksud apa bani kuji target ti ay riba ziri dalai riba kuji education ki mangal fanglaba miyo kaya computer की knowledge जाओ तो बड़ी जावाप पा अमल ले लिबा सी हर खजी मेंशन मंगांग बद्रा है बा अभी की पांडम दा इबे तेनो एसोसिएशन नसिना बफम मजरे दीदी दा हाई लिबा कंप्यूटर की ट्रेनिंग सेंटर सी इबे हांगबुक चबनी आइकोइना मसी हांगबुक ए हाइदन मकुम खानी है बा कैसे लेते बफम मसिदा ले लिबा सिनिनाव मरुक पान माइबेल ले लिबा क्लब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन छात्र की संस्थान सिंह लोइनमक कुंसन बिरगा मते पांग बिरगा आइबेदी कुसन रगा सदमी नबता रगादी कोई नसी पांडम कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग सिसी हिंगन बदल लाइन नमकुम फाबो वेगनी हाइबा तो आइना मियाम मेमादा नसी हमजरी मसीदी दमक्ता मियाम सोजुक पी नबियो हाइबो वफन दि थमजरगा एमता हिलोसिन
लोइसिलकपदा मरोबा पाउ अमुका हन्ना पिजरी. National Press Day cum presentation of Manipur State Journalist Award listing ani kunmangagi thauram pangthokre Pongnafam Pauche ge editor Aribam Robindro Sarmada Best Editor ge award kutsanakre. Amadi chahi asigi Orange Festival da pangthokadaba Orange Queen listing ani kunmangagi audition gi mafam matam amadi criteria sing lauthokre. Pungjasi Fawgana Sanduk Chaba ISCOM News Matanga Sida Lojere Makataba Paugidamak ISCOM News Pu Meeting Taduna Lebiu.